What's up guys, I just want to do a follow-up video to the moldable glue video that I did earlier. I was corrected many times. It should be called Sugru. So there you have it, Sugru. So on the laptop stand, it seemed to hold up very well on this one. As you can see, there's no signs of wear and tear, and I use this every day on my laptop, as you can see right here. So both of them are fine. Also, I used it on my phone holder, and as you can see, it held up fine because it's sticking to metal. I think it sticks better to metal than plastic. And with the other phone holder, I just used epoxy as you guys suggested, and it worked like a charm, and cheaper too. Now the issue is with this laptop stand. So I don't use this one as much because it's quite large in comparison. So when I do prop it up, it does lift the laptop up quite high, which I don't like. But I've noticed that it's starting to tear apart. This one seems to be okay, but these two, the ones, well, this touches the laptop as well, but the ones that I guess the most pressure is on, it's starting to come off. You can see it like that. Actually, oh, yeah, it's very easy to tear off. So that came off. There was a small piece, yeah. I noticed there was this small piece that came off, and I was wondering what was happening, and it's all tearing off, as you can see now. Actually, there's a good bit of tear everywhere. So this is coming off quite easily. Just wanted to show you what it's like. I think I did this over a year ago. I don't know when it started happening, but definitely it's so easy to tear. Do you remember in the other video with the phone holder? I had to actually rip it apart with a lot of force. This one, these two seem to be okay, they don't budge, but the ends of it do come off. Let's check the other one. See, this one is fine. This one is fine. This one is starting to peel off. Yep. This one is very similar to the other one. It can actually come off right now. See? Like so. So what I think is that because I didn't fuse for this laptop stand, I made it one complete joint. This one, because I didn't have enough of the material itself, I just stopped here, stopped here, stopped here, and stopped here. And I think that's the reason why. Leave some comments below. Maybe you can let me know why it didn't work as well on this laptop stand. Or is it the material? Because this is all metal, and for this one there's a bit of plastic here, and I think the rest is metal. But it is kind of strange that it would do so. So I just wanted to point that out. I would not recommend using Sugru. It's just too expensive for what it's worth. You know, it takes quite a long time to cure. I've had comments where they said that I have to microwave it or bake it in an oven to get it like the strongest. I've been told that it doesn't bond to certain materials. which is kind of annoying. And once you open the packet, you have to use all of it. You can't save it, which is kind of annoying. And it has a limited shelf life. I talked to customer support, and there are expiry dates on this product. And yeah, I just wanted to give my thoughts on this after using it for such a long time. There you have it. Sugru. Oh, sorry. Sugru. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.